First, I like to start off by just grooming my eyebrows. Now I'm taking my Dollar General brand hair removing lotion, and I'm just going to be putting it everywhere I would like the hair to be removed from my face. Now I'm going to be waiting approximately 10 to 15 minutes before I remove it with warm water. And just like magic, the hair is removed. No more painful wax strips, no more tweezing, no more razors. Honestly, when I decided to use a hair removing lotion, it the most pain-free way to remove unwanted hair from your body.